There are two ways to run installer setup: through the Resideo Pro app and manually on the device. When using the app, ISU descriptions display, not just numbers. When using the device, you'll need to reference the ISU table in the installation manual for descriptions. When using the app, you can also apply a template, run System Test Mode, apply Pro IQ Analyze, or engage and invite your customer to the First Alert app. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Resideo Pro app to set up the FocusPro S200 or X2S thermostat and connect to Wi-Fi. Open the Resideo Pro app or download first if needed. Select Setup Product and choose the X2S Smart FocusPro S200 thermostat. Make sure the thermostat is mounted and powered on. Tap Using App on the thermostat. Select the thermostat you're working on. Enter the security code from the thermostat. The thermostat connects to the device. Select Basic Install if the homeowner already has a First Alert app account or if the customer is unknown. Select Full Service to create a new First Alert app account for the homeowner and register the device to that account. Select Configuration to set up ISU settings or templates to apply an ISU template. See Create a Template in Resideo Pro App video to learn more about templates. Select the ISU settings or choose a template. Select Apply. You can test the fan and heating and cooling systems through System Test. This is optional. Connect the device to Wi-Fi by selecting the Wi-Fi network and entering the password. This is optional for a basic install. Select Customer Account. If the customer's already been entered into the Pro portal, select the customer from the list. If this is a new construction, select Customer Unknown. Otherwise, select Add Account to enter the homeowner's email they'd like to use for the First Alert by Resideo app and send them an invite to complete device setup. Select a location for the customer or add a new one. For a basic install, ask the homeowner to scan the QR code to receive an invite to their device. Select Full Customer Service Account. If the customer's already been entered into the Pro portal, select the customer from the list. Otherwise, select Add Account to enter the homeowner's email, name, and address information they'd like to use for their First Alert by Resideo app and send them an invite to complete device setup. Create the customer's account. Register the device. Commission the account to send an email to the customer on their First Alert app account. Send the invite to the customer. Finish setup. The homeowner receives an email prompting them to open the First Alert app and create a password. Their new thermostat will be set up in their First Alert app. If your company's Resideo Pro account has subscribed to Pro IQ Analyze or Engage, this process enables homeowner app branding. The customer will get asked to accept the branding. If you do not have access to the Resideo Pro app, you can set up the ISU settings on the thermostat instead. Thank you for watching.